Hey everyone, welcome. I'm so glad you're here today, taking a little time out of your busy schedule to care for yourself. Whether you're joining us first thing in the morning, during a lunch break, or winding down after a long day, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to focus on something that probably affects most of us: neck and shoulder tension. It's incredibly common, especially if you spend a lot of time at a desk, on your phone, or just dealing with everyday stress. That tight, achy feeling can sneak up on anyone, no matter your age or lifestyle. If you've ever felt that tightness, that nagging ache in your neck and shoulders, you know it's not fun. It can make it hard to focus, affect your mood, and even disrupt your sleep. But the good news is, you don't have to just live with it. But don't worry. We're going to spend the next 8 minutes together, releasing that tension and finding some relief. These simple movements and stretches are designed to help you feel better quickly, and you might even notice a difference right away. This short and effective routine is designed to be accessible to everyone, no matter your level of flexibility. You don't need any special equipment or experience, just a willingness to listen to your body and move with care. We'll move gently, breathe deeply, and give our bodies some much-needed TLC. Remember, it's not about pushing yourself or forcing anything. It's about tuning in, letting go of tension, and giving yourself permission to relax. So find a comfortable spot, maybe grab a blanket or a pillow, and let's get started. Make sure you have enough space to move and feel free to adjust anything to suit your needs. Let's take this time together to unwind, recharge, and show your neck and shoulders some love. Our necks and shoulders are prone to tension for a lot of reasons. Think about it. We carry stress in our shoulders, hunch over our computers, and even sleep in ways that can strain these muscles. Over time, all of this takes a toll. Everyday activities like texting, driving, or carrying heavy bags can contribute to muscle imbalances and tension. Add in a little stress or anxiety, and those muscles can really start to scream for attention. But that's okay, because we're going to address it right now. Stretching is like a magic trick for our muscles. When we stretch, we're gently lengthening those tight, overworked fibers, helping them to relax and release. This increased blood flow brings in oxygen and nutrients, which helps our muscles recover and feel better faster. Think of it like giving your muscles a much-needed break. By incorporating regular stretching into our routine, we can prevent that tension from building up in the first place. And the best part? You can do it anytime, anywhere. Before we dive into the stretches, let's warm up our neck and shoulders with some gentle movements. This will help to increase circulation and prepare our muscles for deeper stretches. First, let's do some shoulder rolls. Inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, roll your shoulders back and down, making circles with your shoulders. Repeat this 5 times in each direction. Next, let's do some neck tilts. Gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Hold for a few seconds, then tilt your head to the left. Repeat this 5 times on each side. Now that we're warmed up and our bodies are ready, it's time to transition into our dedicated 8-minute stretch routine. This is your moment to slow down, focus on your breath, and give your muscles the attention they deserve after any activity or even a long day at work. Find a comfortable spot, whether it's your living room, bedroom, or a quiet corner in your home, and let's begin together. In this routine, we're going to focus on 5 simple yet highly effective stretches that target the neck, shoulders, and upper back. These areas often hold a lot of tension, especially if you spend hours at a desk or looking at screens. Each stretch is designed to help you release tightness, improve flexibility, and leave you feeling refreshed. As we move through each stretch, remember to listen to your body. Stretching should feel good, never painful. If you feel any discomfort, ease up or modify the movement. The goal is to gently lengthen your muscles, not to force them. Take slow, deep breaths throughout, and let your breath guide you deeper into each stretch. Let's start with the ear to shoulder stretch. Gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your right ear towards your right shoulder. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid lifting them up. You can let your left arm hang heavy by your side to deepen the stretch. You should feel a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck, from your ear down to your shoulder. This stretch helps relieve tension that builds up from poor posture or stress. Hold this position for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your neck muscles to relax. When you're ready, slowly return your head to center and repeat the stretch on the other side, tilting your left ear towards your left shoulder. Notice if one side feels tighter than the other, and give yourself a little extra time if needed. Next, let's move into the chin to chest stretch. Slowly lower your chin towards your chest, feeling the back of your neck lengthen. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid hunching them forward. This stretch is especially helpful if you spend a lot of time looking at screens or working at a computer. As you hold this stretch, you should feel a gentle pull along the back of your neck and maybe even into your upper back. Hold here for 30 seconds, breathing slowly and deeply. With each exhale, see if you can let your head drop a little further, but only if it feels comfortable. Now let's target the shoulders with a cross-body shoulder stretch. Bring your right arm across your body at shoulder height and use your left hand to gently pull your right arm closer to your chest. Keep your right shoulder down and away from your ear. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch across the back of your right shoulder. This is a great way to release tension from the upper back and shoulders, especially if you carry a heavy bag or sit for long periods. When you're ready, switch sides and repeat with your left arm. For the upper trapezius stretch, place your right hand on your lower back, with your fingers pointing down. This position helps anchor your shoulder and intensifies the stretch. With your left hand, gently pull your head towards your left shoulder. You should feel a stretch in your right shoulder, upper back, and the side of your neck. This stretch is excellent for relieving tension that can cause headaches or neck stiffness. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and letting your muscles release. When you're ready, switch sides and repeat the stretch, placing your left hand on your lower back and using your right hand to gently guide your head. Finally, let's open up the chest and shoulders with a chest opener stretch. Interlace your fingers behind your back and straighten your arms, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Push your chest forward and lift your chin slightly, feeling your chest expand and your shoulders roll back. This stretch counteracts the effects of slouching and helps improve your posture. You should feel a stretch across your chest, the front of your shoulders, and your upper back. Hold this position for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and enjoying the sense of openness. When you're finished, gently release your hands and shake out your arms. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, lighter, more relaxed, and ready for whatever comes next. Breathing is key to any relaxation technique, and stretching is no different. As you hold each stretch, pay attention to your breath. Breathe deeply and evenly, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Imagine your breath flowing to the areas where you feel tension. As you exhale, visualize the tension melting away. Deep breathing helps to calm the nervous system, relax the muscles, and enhance the benefits of the stretches. Great job, everyone. You've just taken an important step toward caring for your body and mind. Taking a few minutes for yourself can make a big difference, especially when life gets busy. We've come to the end of our 8-minute neck and shoulder stretch routine. Whether you're new to stretching or have been doing it for a while, every session helps you build strength, flexibility, and awareness in your body. Take a moment to notice how you feel right now. Maybe you sense a little more space in your neck, or perhaps your shoulders feel lighter and less tense. Are your neck and shoulders feeling looser, more relaxed? Sometimes even a short routine can bring a surprising sense of relief and calm. To cool down, gently roll your shoulders forward and backward a few times. This simple movement helps release any lingering tension and keeps your muscles supple. Then, take a few deep breaths, letting your body fully relax. With each inhale, imagine fresh energy flowing in. With each exhale, let go of any remaining tightness. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate these stretches into your daily routine. Making stretching a habit can help prevent tension from building up in the first place, and it's a wonderful way to check in with your body. You can do these stretches anytime, anywhere, at your desk during a work break, while watching TV in the evening, or even as part of your bedtime wind down. The more you weave them into your day, the more natural they'll feel. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at how much better your neck and shoulders feel. Over time, you may notice improved posture, less discomfort, and a greater sense of well-being. So keep it up and enjoy the benefits of a regular stretching habit.